What is going on? What is going on, everybody? Man, listen, happy Monday. Happy Monday. I'm excited to be here, man. As always, guys, I can't, I come in on Sunday, guys, and I'm just excited because guess what? We get to do this thing all over again. So, guys, this week, guys, we want to help you earn your paycheck here on Option Nerds Podcast. But more than anything, guys, we're options, everything, guys. Listen. We want to thank you for joining us this morning. We don't take it lightly. We ask you guys to do us a favor. If you don't mind, please go down and like and subscribe to this channel. Please do that, man. We're trying to get the algorithms to work in our favor, but more than anything, we want more people to come in contact with real talk when it comes to stocks, especially options, okay? Guys, do me a favor, man. I want to talk about some of our sponsors. Please go check out Appointed Apparel Clothing, LLC on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook if you don't mind. Man, we got the new God Over Everything series, man, because we need God over this gas right now. I'm just going to be real with y'all, man. This gas prices are crazy right now. But guess what? Gas prices should be going down. And all prices are still going up, but gas prices should be going down because Biden and Congress are trying to getting rid of the gas tax law. So, guys, look in the future in the next month or so for gas prices to slightly drop. So, thank you, God, for dropping the gas prices, guys. Also, guys, we're not financial advisors, man. We ask you to do your own diligence and research, okay? We want to give you information. We want to make sure we entertain you, but, guys, this is for entertainment only, okay? We're not here. We're not stockbrokers, and we are not financial advisors, okay? So please, the information that we give you guys, please make sure you go do your due diligence, and please use the information we give you to help you in your research development. Okay, guys, man, look, this week is called This is called Money Making Monday. That's what I'm going to call it from now on. Money Making Monday, because let me tell you something, the way this Monday came in today, I would be surprised if people came out today and said they did not make money. If you have been paying attention over the last week or so, and you've really been in your bag and really been in your information grind, then guess what? You got a ton of information today that should help you get to the next level when it comes to your option trading. Guys, I'm going to get right into it, guys, because I want to be ready for the market to open up, guys. Today's companies that I'm watching today, guys, I'm watching Moderna, I'm watching Tesla, I'm watching Shopify, NIO, and I'm watching Nike today, guys. Moderna, guys, coupled with Pfizer and BioNTech, guys, they have a new booster shot that is getting ready to come out. Now, it's not all the way done yet, guys, but it is coming out. And whenever you get news of any type of COVID shot, any type of monkeypox vaccine, whenever you get any type of vaccine coming out, you better believe that Moderna is going to pop. Moderna is the leading company when it comes to these vaccines, when it comes to these medications. And guys, don't take this lightly. So guys, I am looking for Moderna to actually do some pretty good things in the market. In the pre-market, it's at 143. It is slightly down. However, guys, I'm still looking at Moderna to kind of give a good pop somewhere this morning. So guys, it's sitting at about 143, slightly below what it ended with in the post-market on Friday. But again, with this news coming out about the booster from Pfizer and BioNTech, guys, let me tell you something. Moderna is not going to take this line down. So, guys, make sure you stay connected with Moderna. Make sure you watch Moderna. I'm going to give you a couple plays that you could actually look at today that I'm actually putting on my watch list. I think Moderna is going to do really, really well today. The next one is Tesla. Y'all know that's my bread and butter. Hey, I'm riding Tesla to the wheels fall off, guys. But right now, Tesla is up about $12. Well, it's not $12 anymore, but it's up in the pre-market, guys, at $747.68. Ended Friday at $737.12, guys. So it's up $10 to $12. I think I started as much as being up $13 in the pre-market. Guys, Tesla will take a little bit of a dip when the market opens, but I'm telling you, you will see Tesla go up to 760. You will see it probably go up to 775. So all you guys that had was with me on Friday and you guys got calls on Fridays, guys, it's going to boom. It's going to block. So, guys, make sure you put your stop loss in. Make sure you get your good game plan because Tesla will go up today. Elon Musk is settling into Twitter. He's starting to meet with employees. He's starting to get game plans. He's starting to really settle in on making sure all the financials are correct, guys. This gentleman is a mastermind when it comes to acquiring companies, setting the good foundation, putting a plan and a strategy in place, and putting this thing up to the next level, guys. So please, 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 I need you to watch what Elon Musk is doing with Twitter, and that's going to let you know what's going to happen with Tesla. Let me say this real quick, guys, because a lot of times we don't look at this. When people are good at growing and building companies, all that does when they go to another company is increase the value of that company. Because what investors are looking at is, wait, hold on. If this is what he did with Tesla, imagine what he's going to do with Twitter. He's going to use the same principles within the genre that he's in. He's a very intelligent man. I'm not saying I agree with all of his views, but when it comes to growth, P&Ls, when it comes to company strategy, systems, when it comes to picking good employees, as far as leadership staff and executive staff go, Elon Musk is one of the best in the business. So, guys, do not take for granted that he's going to take some of the mastermind ideas and the things that he did in Tesla and SpaceX and move it over to Tesla, guys. So, I mean, the Twitter, guys. So I'm looking at Tesla right now. It's at 747. 72. I'm looking at it to pop and go somewhere in the high 760s or even in the 770s, guys. Okay, now listen, let me tell you this. Don't wait for it. The minute you hit your price point, you hit that point where you are it's comfortable, because like some of you have a certain budget in a day, 300, 200, 100, whatever the case may be. When it hit that, go ahead and put your stop loss in, okay? All right, cool. The next one, guys, is Shopify. I'm going to give you some ins and outs on Shopify as well, but remind you, tomorrow is a 10-to-1 split. Hear me on this. A 10-to-1 split. What does that mean? That means if you get one contract today and it's a call, that means tomorrow morning you're going to have 10 of them. If you buy one stock of Shopify today, that means you're going to have 10 of them in the morning. That is huge. That is huge, okay? So please, please, please do not lose sight of this. Keep you some bread to the side. It don't matter if it's out of the money. It don't matter about any of that stuff, guys. Make sure you put focus, number one, on Shopify, on Google, on Tesla, because those are going to be the next splits coming up. Do you understand what I'm saying? The next one, guys, is NIO. Guys, if Tesla run, NIO gonna run. All right, I'm gonna say it again. If Tesla run, NIO gonna run. NIO has been on a tear, guys, as of late. Right now, slightly down in the pre-market, 23.96, but it ended at 24.08 at the end of Friday. At the end of post-market, guys, let me tell you something. This is nothing for NIO. This is nothing for NIO, okay? Make sure you're paying attention to the VIX, because the VIX tells you a lot about NIO and Tesla. So if the VIX is going down, which we're going to talk about the VIX in just a second, but if the VIX is going down, that's what NIO and Tesla are about to go ham. So pay attention to that, guys. And Nike, guys. Listen, I'm not a Nike stockholder, but I'm starting to get Nike. I love their earnings, love what they're doing quarter to quarter, but more than anything, man, I like the innovation. They remind me of Apple. I like the innovation of of Nike. So, guys, Nike has earnings aftermarket today. Be very careful, okay? Be very careful today, because you're going to see a pop in Nike. If I'm not mistaken, let me go to it on my charts. Okay, so Nike is up from Friday's aftermarket numbers. I think it ended at 112.91. Right now, Nike is at 113.20. Okay, so we're looking at a little bit of a pop that's going to happen. And guys, prior to earnings, you're normally going to see this. Now, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Nike is a great company. Okay, foundationalized earnings. Okay, so you're talking about a company that's literally, just being honest with you, that's literally going to stand the test of time. Okay, so all I'm saying is, my auntie just gave me told me happy birthday, guys. Today is my birthday, so yeah, today is my birthday, guys. So happy birthday to me. Everybody sending me happy birthday wishes. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Just blessed to see another day, guys. Blessed to see another day. But guys, real quickly, guys, make sure that you're looking at Nike, guys. I have no doubt that they're going to post really good earnings. I don't know what it's going to be like in the recession, but I think they're going to beat a lot of the estimated price, the EPS. I think they're going to beat that. I think they're going to do very, very well. I think they're going to re-solidify the top brand. I don't, if there's ever been any question, I think they're going to realize I think they're going to put out that they are in a class all by themselves. So I'm interested in Nike. I will be probably getting a call in Nike later on. I will not be getting a put, but guys, pay attention to what Nike is doing today. All right. What else we got going on here? All right, cool. All right, guys, let's get into some of my plays, man, that I'm looking at today that I'm going to have on my watch list. The first one, of course, is Tesla. Guys, listen, I'm always conscious of Tesla. Let me pull out my chart so I can look at it while I'm talking to you guys. I'm always conscious of Tesla, man. I really am. I love Tesla. Great stock. Right now, it's sitting at 748.41. So I put it in at 748 because Tesla's already in the buy zone. It's already in the zone where it's saying, hey, let me put an option. I'm going to call it. And somebody might be like, well, hold on, man. It's already up $13. No, wait, hold on. $11. Tesla is not like normal stocks. Up $10 in Tesla is like up $1 in another stock. It's not anywhere close to where it's going to go. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Now, I am looking at Tesla. Remind you guys, when Tesla dips, you got to be careful because Tesla's pullback can be $5 or more. Okay, so just because your stock goes down, let's just say from 748 to 745, does not mean Tesla is on a bearish downwind. Okay, so you got to be careful with Tesla. Okay, Tesla is known to come in with a big dip, and then the next thing you know, boom, that thing goes up $30, $40, $50. Look at what it did last week. Okay, Tesla is not staying at $700, guys. All right, it's coming off the release of a possible stock split. Everybody's waiting on it. So guys, just pay attention to Tesla. They got a little bit of stock supply chain issues, but that's okay because guess what? It's still Tesla. They're still strong. Okay, so please do your due diligence on that. The next one, guys, I told you earlier is Moderna. Listen, I'm looking at Moderna and I'm looking at Moderna tough. I'm looking at Moderna being at 143.30 as of right now, but because of the Pfizer news, I'm really looking at it. So I'm going to wait on Moderna. Okay, it's on my watch list. I'm looking at it getting at 143.62, but watch this. I'm going to wait for a brief pullback. So I even possibly may let it get to 144 and then get a possible pullback. Now watch this. There's some entry points I may look at in Moderna before I get in. The first entry point may be 138.27. I may let Moderna go all the way back down to 138, 139. The reason why is I need to make sure it's losing volume before I try to put and it breaks down past a resistance before I put money in, because guess what? Just like Tesla, pullbacks are not the same in some of these stocks. These more volatile stocks, pullbacks are not the same. So you got to be very careful when you see $3 coming, when it's coming down $3 or $4, $5, because guess what? It can come down $5 and go back up $50. So you have to be very careful with that. So that's why you see me right here with an entry point actually at 138.27, but then I'm going to get back in at 145.54. Okay, why? I'm going to let it go from 138.27 to 145.54. I do believe Moderna will go up to 145 today, possibly 146 today, but that's going to be my cutoff, and I'm going to be looking to put in a put. And watch this now. When it goes to 145.54, I'm going to wait for it to drop back down, and probably going to get in around 143, 142, possibly 141 on the downswing. And guys, finally, guys, I'm just going to, I can't leave it out. Nike, guys. I cannot leave Nike out. They have earnings at the end of the trading session today. And the after hours, guys, Nike is a premier brand. Nike has probably been one of the most consistent brands on a growth, has vital sponsorship as far as athletes and main name people. So guys, you're going to get something good from Nike all the time. Nike is a very, very, very consistent stock, guys. So, kind of look at this, guys, and really, do your due diligence. But I'm really looking at Nike today as well. Other than that, guys, that's really what I'm looking at today, man. Remember, guys, let's go over to the Voice of Reason. Let's go to the Voice of Reason thoughts for the day, guys. All right, let's go through, and I want you to pay attention to these, guys. This is crucial. All right, a lot of people, man, you're going to miss out on an opportunity to change your life and put yourself in a position to go to the next level because you're not paying attention to the opportunities. One of the things I prayed for this morning is God show me opportunity. Show me up, not just in the stock market, but also in relationships, in business, in mentality, in relationship with you, God. You were going to miss opportunities because not paying attention. The first thing, God, I want you to do is watch, evaluate, then pick your stocks. Okay, guys, we have a rule around here. Wait till at least 9 o'clock before you do anything. I don't care if you see the stock dipping. Wait till 9 o'clock until you see what you're going to be doing, because you want the market to kind of show you really where it is. You don't want it to show you the fluff. 8:30 is the fluff. 8:35 is the fluff. Unless you're already in a call or you're already in a put, guys, I would not try to get in today. I would not try to get in the market right up. Okay. All right, I really wouldn't. So I would watch the market. I really would. I would evaluate it. I would look at your 50-day, 100, 200-day moving average. I would look at your RSI charts. I would look at the VIX. I would look whatever you use. Fibonacci, whatever charts, whatever gauges you use, that's what I would look at today, okay? I would not be in a hurry to jump in something early in the morning, guys. Today, also, guys, this is what you have to remember. Shopify has a 10-to-1 split tomorrow. All right, it just does. Okay, so you'll go to bed tonight with one stock and wake up tomorrow with 10. You'll go to bed tonight with one option, and you'll wake up tomorrow with 10. I'm just telling you what it is. Shopify is probably going to go to the moon today. All right, so I'm definitely going to get in the Shopify stock. Probably going to hold it all day today. And guess what? I'm going to wake up with 10 option plays, and we pray this thing goes to the moon. So, guys, I'm just telling you to pick and choose your battles today, okay? Don't be in and out of trades so much that when it's time to get the most important one, guess what? You're not in position to handle that opportunity correctly, guys. So make sure you write down somewhere. You put an alarm at 2 o'clock. Hey, Shopify has to. I don't care where it is, guys. Okay, make sure you get in this. Okay. The next one, guys, is take profits. As always, take profits, okay? Take profits, guys. Do not, one of the biggest things I'm learning in this thing, man, is take profits. Yes, we know some things. Oh, man, I should have stayed in. That would have been an extra 200. That would have been an extra 50. That would have been an extra 2,000. Listen, don't talk like that, because that's going to bring the greed out of you, and greed will cause you to lose money. Hear what I'm telling you. Greed will cause you to lose money. One of the biggest mistakes I made the first year of trading was trying to watch this pay my bills and trying to do other things from a financial perspective instead of just stacking, instead of using this like money that never existed. All right? Do not get greedy on this. Take your profits on today, all right? Take your profits on today. And the final one, guys, is don't think it will last forever, guys. Listen, you may think this is it hit the bottom and it's on its way up. No, what goes up must come down. This is why taking your profits is really, really, really valuable. It will not last, guys, okay? So please, all this recession talk is real. We're not in a recession, but some of the things that we're going through looks like we are forming to go through a recession-like period economically. Okay, just because they use the word recession, that just means pullback. That just means that was a decrease. That does not mean that we're Cold War or the Great Depression or anything like that. Don't confuse recession with depression. Okay, so guys, recession just means that, hey, listen, we have more demand than we actually have product or services. We got people spending more money than they're actual receiving. That's all that means. It means the government cannot keep up with the supply and demand or the economic structure that is out there. And that's why you get 50 basis points, 75 basis points, 100 basis points, things like that. So don't let people use words that make you feel like, oh my God, London is falling. No, it's not. But you have to understand, it will not last forever. Neither will this type of economic structure, nor will the uprising of any stock that you're planning. So guys, take your profits. Get in, get out. All right, especially in option trading. Yes, you have a whole week. That's a cushion. But don't take for granted the profits that you make. You may not get those back. All right, guys, that's my time, man. Love you guys. The love of the Lord. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel, guys. Also, make sure you go and check out Appointed Apparel Clothing, guys. Please do that, guys. We have this clothing, man, that are for the faithful, the few, but more than anything, the followers of Jesus Christ, man. Make sure you go take a look at it. Appointed Apparel Clothing. AppointedApparelClothing.com. Also follow us on all social media sites. Y'all make sure y'all get to YouTube, man, and y'all like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, we got the $50 a day challenge coming in July. Going to post to the Wall Street Warriors Worldwide group. When that's going to be started. If you want to participate in that, listen, guys, I'm going to be giving you plays. I'm going to be telling you the chart. I'm going to be doing all of that. And watch this, guys. It's only $25 to start. It's only $25 to start, guys. Okay, so listen, guys, make sure you keep your ears to the ground on that. We're going to make some money starting later on this week and starting around the 1st of July. All right, guys? I love you guys with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go, and do me a favor. Make the rest of your day the best of your day. God bless you guys. Peace.